Most people think CRM tools are just contact lists, but here's the surprising truth about Zoho CRM. It can automate your entire marketing workflow from first click to final sale. Zoho CRM is a customer relationship management system designed for small and medium businesses. It helps manage leads, track customer interactions, and automate marketing campaigns. When you start using Zoho CRM, the first thing you notice is lead management. You can collect leads from websites, emails, social media, and ads. All leads are stored in one place with full interaction history. The marketing automation features allow you to build email sequences based on user behavior. For example, if someone visits your website and signs up for a newsletter, Zoho can automatically send follow-up emails over several days. This saves time and increases conversion rates. One powerful feature is lead scoring. Zoho assigns scores based on actions like email opens, website visits, or downloads. This helps sales teams focus only on high-quality leads. Zoho also integrates with tools like email platforms, social media, and analytics systems. You can track campaign performance and see which channels generate the most revenue. Most people get this wrong by trying to use every feature at once. Zoho is powerful, but it works best when you start simple and expand gradually. The downside is the learning curve. New users may feel overwhelmed because there are many options and settings. However, once configured, the automation saves massive amounts of manual work. In conclusion, Zoho CRM is a strong marketing automation tool for businesses that want smarter customer management and higher conversion rates. It's not the easiest system, but it's one of the most flexible. Subscribe for more honest software reviews to grow your business efficiently.